How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Training hard, consistently. Okay, what's he babbling on about today? Today, I just wanted to mention a couple of things about HIIT training that I've heard across the internet that I think are a little bit misleading. So obviously HIIT training, high intensity interval training, best described by a work period, then a short rest period, another work period on maybe a different exercise, short rest period, another work period on a different exercise again. You might have, let's say, 6 exercises that you do. That might make up one round and you do several rounds. And it keeps things interesting and it allows you to work at a bit of a higher intensity because you've got a little bit of recovery, and you've certainly got a recovery between the rounds. Now, the first thing I hear about it is that, people that jump around doing HIIT training and they get injured. I mean, in my experience, that's absolute garbage. I use HIIT training all the time, and with other people I train, I can honestly say I haven't had one single person that's got injured as a result of doing HIIT training. The key thing is obviously that you go hard, steady, and you don't go absolutely crazy at the start until you build up a little bit of fitness and a bit of resilience. But you're always going to do the exercises in a controlled way. But the thing is, you can still build up the intensity to very high, zone 4 and certainly zone 5 if you have to, which may be at a later stage. And that's only determined by the work to rest ratio. If you've got the work to rest ratio correct and the workout is well enough constructed, you will get your heart rate high. It doesn't necessarily have to be like sprint interval training, which is flat out stuff for a shorter period of time and a longer rest, which is another great way of training. But the thing is with that is 2 things. You've already got to be pretty fit and you've got to be well rested going into it. Because if you're doing anything flat out, there is a little bit more danger of being injured. So you've got to build up to that a little bit and also make sure you're pretty fresh going into the session and warmed up. So this idea of HIIT training injures people is just completely false, to the extent that you could get injured doing anything. I know people that have injured themselves closing a fridge door. You could go jogging and pull a calf. So that is not true to the extent that it is with any activity really, as long as the exercises are done in a controlled way and you build up to those levels of intensity. The second thing I hear is that, the problem with HIIT training is that you do the session, you come away, it makes you more hungry, so you eat more. So it doesn't work contributing to weight loss or anything like that, because you're eating more. But I would say the mistake with that is, that viewpoint is making out as if eating more is completely involuntary, like you have no control over yourself and you just go eating more. You just don't eat more. It's not something that is beyond our control. All exercise programs are always combined with diet. You might increase the percentage of protein whilst decreasing a little the total calorific intake. But it's not this sort of involuntary action where you can't help yourself but run to the cake shop. So that was it really. HIIT training, or having HIIT circuits, especially no equipment required circuits, are a great form of training to have in your back pocket as a variation, something that keeps the workout interesting with a variety of different exercises. Often if there's no equipment required, it's perfect if you can't make it to the gym or you're away. It's the type of training really that everyone should have access to in their sort of portfolio of training sessions. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to download my free PDF, fitness tips, hacks, best ways to train, loads of information in it. It's a free PDF, link in the description. See you in the next one.